you looking to create a powerful impact on the man in your life? Whether you're in a budding romance or a long-term relationship, making a man miss you like crazy can strengthen your connection and keep the spark alive. In this video, we'll unveil 6 shocking secrets that will make him crave your presence even when you're not around. These tips are designed to help you build a lasting, passionate bond that will leave him longing for your company. Secret 1. Be independent and self-confident. The first secret to making a man miss you is to be independent and self-confident. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and when you have a fulfilling life outside of the relationship, it makes you even more appealing. Pursue your passions, nurture your interests, and be secure in who you are. This independence not only adds depth to your personality but also makes him appreciate the moments you spend together even more, as they become special and precious. Secret 2. Maintain a little mystery. Keeping a little mystery in your relationship can be incredibly enticing. Don't reveal every detail of your life right away. Share bits and pieces, allowing him to discover new things about you over time. By doing this, you create intrigue, and he'll be eager to know more about you, making him miss you when you're not around. Mystery adds an exciting element to the relationship, making it more captivating. Secret 3. Keep the connection strong. Building and maintaining a strong emotional connection is key to making a man miss you. Engage in meaningful conversations, listen actively, and show genuine interest in his thoughts and feelings. Make him feel valued and loved. The stronger the emotional connection, the more he'll miss your presence when you're apart. Foster a bond that's based on trust, understanding, and intimacy, and he won't be able to help but crave you. Secret 4. Give him space. While spending time together is essential, giving your man space is equally important. Allow him to have time with his friends, hobbies, and interests. Respect his need for independence. When he has time to miss you, he'll appreciate the moments you share even more. Space allows for personal growth and strengthens the bond by ensuring that your time together remains exciting and cherished. Secret 5. Surprise him. Surprises can be a fantastic way to make a man miss you. Whether it's a thoughtful gesture, a surprise date, or an unexpected gift, these acts show your appreciation and affection. Surprise him every now and then to keep the excitement alive in your relationship. The element of surprise creates anticipation, making him long for more moments filled with joy and spontaneity. Secret 6. Be supportive and loving. Being supportive and loving is crucial in making a man miss you like crazy. Show that you care, be there for him during his ups and downs, and provide a nurturing environment for your relationship to flourish. Love, support, and understanding create a safe and happy place, and he'll miss you deeply when he realizes the comfort and warmth you bring to his life. Conclusion. Incorporating these 6 shocking secrets into your relationship can make a man miss you like crazy. Remember to be independent and self-confident, maintain a little mystery, keep the emotional connection strong, give him space, surprise him, and be supportive and loving. These secrets will help you build a passionate and lasting bond that keeps the flame of your relationship burning bright. So, go ahead and put these tips into practice to make him long for your presence and cherish your time together.